Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Ninebot Max. This is not a product review, but I just want to say this helmet here, thank you to Segway of Ontario, Jason and the team over there for hooking me up with this helmet, so now I don't have to worry about people cutting me off and me losing my noggin. Well, I guess I could still lose it, but at least it'll be protected. So thank you, Jason and the team at Segway of Ontario. Quick plug for them. If you are interested in a Segway scooter or you need some repairs or some parts, give them a call. I am very curious about the distance of this Max. It is rated for 65 kilometers. I would like to go from Mississauga to Toronto, Yorkville area. It's about 30 kilometers. By bike, it's about an hour and a half. So we will figure out if the Ninebot Max, how long it will take to get there, and will it get there. But an hour and a half to 2 hours, and to come back is a long time to do it right away. If you're gonna go to work and then you're gonna plug it in and then take your time and then work and then come back later in the evening, that's another story. So I might need help from a friend. Let me call someone.
Hello.
Hey, Franklin, how are you, buddy?
All right.
Yeah, are you busy today?
Why?
Well, I'm thinking of doing something crazy on the channel. You know the scooter, the Ninebot Max I have?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking of taking it on a long distance drive from Mississauga to uptown Toronto. But
Okay, have fun.
How'd I know he'd say something like that? But I don't obviously want to go there and back because that's like 3 to 4 hours. So I'm just wondering, you know, if you can see in the kind heart of yours to come and pick me up and bring me back home.
You want me to send my car over?
You can
it's
do that too.
Robo-taxi now.
You see, Robo-taxi works. That's Tesla for you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah? Oh, you are awesome. I'm just about to giddy up. I just got to put
right.
my helmet on and all of my gear.
Safety first.
Yes, exactly. So,
always wear protection.
Yep.
Good life tip.
Yeah, you got to protect the head.
Exactly.
Thanks, buddy. I'll call you when I'm close to the location.
All right, sounds good. See you then.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.
Isn't it awesome having good friends? Tesla community. And if you have not already, it's Tesla Motherfrunker. Check out his channel. I will also leave a link of that in the description. All right, we are a go. Helmet, check. Got the bag, check. Water, check. The time right now is 11:10 and the scooter has 64 kilometers of range, 99% battery. And we are ready to go. Mississauga to uptown Toronto. Wish me luck. I lost way too much weight. This doesn't go on. Let's go. And we are off. I am going to head to Burnham Thorpe, and I am basically going to take Burnham Thorpe as far as I can. It's typically the drive that I do. So it's a nice weekend. The temperature is actually pretty cool. It's about 17, 18 degrees. One of the big things that I wish the scooters had was the turn signals, because it's very hard to only go with one hand, to use your left hand to make your signals. So one thing I do like about this is you can actually switch, you know, I want to say the gears. You can go from eco mode to drive to sport while you're already in motion. So like now, you know, drive is obviously too slow for this road. So I wanted to kick it up. I don't have to stop and switch it. I literally just push the button and away you go. Already, I mean, I've been on a 12 kilometer or 6 kilometers drive before. And with that one, I didn't really get the thumb fatigue, but I can already feel it. My right thumb, I know it's gonna be cramping. This does have cruise control, but honestly, I haven't even played around with it. So that's my fault. So I should actually have played around with it so I can learn how to use it. But it's too late for that now. I'm already going. It's about doing this in time and, you know, how much does the scooter actually use as far as energy. So one of the big tests is coming up, a very big hill here. So let's see how it goes. All right, we are starting to climb up. It's actually dropped down 1 kilometer, 29. And also another note, a bar is already flashing, but it's doing 29 kilometers right up this hill. You don't get a perspective of it on the camera, but I'm telling you, actually just as I got to the top of the crest, it dropped down to 27, right back up to 29. Challenge number 2, another big uphill. I still have it in sport mode. And now we're going up the hill. Drop to 28. So it's between 28 and 29. Sorry, I just went over a bump, so my voice is probably a little... 28, 29, it's just going. Light's gonna change. It's good, because it gives my thumb a little break now.
Is that illegal?
Illegal?
Is it legal?
Why would it not be?
Well, you don't have a
I have a helmet.
signal on it, you don't have a rear reflector, nothing.
That's not a rear reflector?
Boy, see it, sorry. No, no, pretty bad. Oops. Sorry, I just go fast.
Take care. Is that thing legal? Oh man. Gotta love people. I'm just old-fashioned. I guess he hates Teslas. So just to make a quick note here, it is 11:28. So I've been 20 minutes and I lost a full bar. So the bar that was flashing is now completely gone. And again, I'm in a 50 zone, so I've got it on sport. And again, that's the whole thing of doing this test though, right? Can it be done? Would someone do it? And again, I think that getting to the destination, and if you were there to work and you're gonna plug it in while you're there, I don't see any issues. To do this drive by car, by the way, just a side note, it takes an hour and 15 minutes. If I get there in an hour and 40 minutes, an extra half an hour, it's not bad. Oh, the camera just flopped. All right, so I've been at this for a good half hour already, and I have not even broken a sweat. Wow, you figure all this like, oh wait, I'm not pedaling or anything. But honestly, the weather is perfect. It's cloudy, and it's about 19 degrees, I think 21 with the humidex, which is around 76 for my American fellow watchers. And again, one bar completely gone. I still have 4. The other one has not been flashing yet. This thing is crazy fast, like, honestly. Just quickly checking, I've done just shy of 12 kilometers and 34 minutes. So the good thing about doing this on the weekend is the traffic is lighter. It's definitely a plus, because these roads are usually pretty packed. Challenge number 3, another big hill. The 4th bar is starting to flash, and we are doing 28 kilometers an hour up this hill. Starting to drizzle on me, and I did not bring the umbrella. Wow, I've never seen that. So this hill was that big that the scooters actually said 35 kilometers an hour. I thought it throttles out at 32, where it actually starts to slow you down. Oh, these roads are terrible. Yeah, it's definitely raining on me. But it's fairly light, nothing to worry about yet. But that won't stop me. Hey, she might if I hit into her. All right, so I put it into drive mode now. So I'm gonna play with that a bit and see how it is on the street. Again, if I gotta kick it up, I can just do it at a quick touch of a button. Yeah, 25 kilometers an hour is too slow. So far, so good. I don't know how anyone could sit on these patios and eat. All these cars, because they literally stop while they're at the lights and all the traffic. I couldn't do it. All right, so just over 18 kilometers and just about to hit the 50-minute mark. Third bar is flashing, so we will be down to 2. Did close to 20 kilometers and going on 56 minutes. And my thumb hasn't been that bothersome as I thought it would be. My back is fine because I can straighten right up. The handlebars are tall. And you just gotta keep your eyes open because there's a lot of people that just don't care. They feel like the whole lane should be theirs, even though you're hugging the far right lane. The helmet does hurt on my head. Oh, the camera fell again, sorry. And the camera mounts, I really gotta fix that. It's like I can't find the perfect camera mount. This one's been doing a lot better than the other one, so we're getting there, we're getting there. Hope everybody's been enjoying this ride so far. Crazy, dangerous turn, even for driving. Forget about just being on a scooter. Oh, and the other thing I should also look into is goggles. So I had a bug already like hit my side of my head and straight on and hit my ear. On your left. Thank you. And something for the teeth. Something for the teeth, because when I go over some heavy bumps, my teeth start chattering. Da, 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 da. That's not quite the noise, but you understand. You know what's crazy? We're actually almost here. It's been just over an hour. I made it here faster than I would in the car. And you know what? Since I've got some extra time, let's make a pit stop in the coffee shop. And then we can continue on this video, because I can't believe it's been like an hour and 5 minutes. And the destination I need to literally go to is that lights. So from Mississauga to here, let me go in here and grab an espresso, and then I'll get to the park over there and finish off this video. Whew. Let's take all this gear off. Wow. This thing is actually pretty heavy. I got the drone in here, I got some camera gear, got some water, which I need. Why is the water discolored? Interesting. I don't know if you could see that. I am not going to be drinking that. Okay then. Just sitting here waiting for Franklin, Mother Frunker, to come and pick me up. Super nice guy, like I mentioned earlier. Check his channel out. He's doing a big favor by coming all the way from Brampton here to pick me up. It's about 50 minutes out of his way each way. Let's see, after an hour and 5 minutes on the Ninebot Max, I feel okay. My back is not out of shape. My thumb, which I was originally worried about, is fine. Let's go through some stats here. So it was 24.34 kilometers total, 1 hour and 15 minutes, but I did stop for almost 10 minutes at the espresso shop there. So basically an hour and 5 minutes. That is crazy. I'm gonna throw that up somewhere on the screen here to let you have a visual of that actual map. It's weird, it says 52.6 kilometers per hour is my max speed. This thing does not even do that. So I don't know where that stat is coming from. let me actually turn on to see what is left in here. All right, so 64 range, no, 63 kilometers when we started. So I have 25 kilometers left in range, 39% battery remaining. It was 99 when we left. That's about it. So I'll throw, again, all those stats up on the screen there. Whew. Sorry, I gotta sit down. I'm gonna throw all the stats on the screen there, and so you can see what this thing did. Wow. Again, didn't even break a sweat the whole time. The weather was perfect. It rained on me a little bit, but it was more drizzling. Would I do this again? Yes, I would. Actually, if I could plug it in and, you know, relax for a couple of hours, I would go back. It really wasn't that bad. Couple people, you know, trying to run you over. They own the road more than you do, even though you're being so polite and you're staying to the right side. Again, be safe out there. Goggles is one that I should have. Or turn signals would be nice, you know, to show people you're going left or right. But in general, when I got to a light and I needed to make that left turn, I then went to the sidewalk, waited for the light to change, and then did it that way. Mark saying, see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up for all that effort I did. If you didn't appreciate that effort, then give it a thumbs down twice. I don't know why you would. So we will catch y'all in the next one.